Let me know you. Girl, you want me all up on your body all day. Oh, you want me all you man, you feel no say. Champagne after champagne, give you rose. Girl, wine pan the ladder. You Fendi, Gucci and the Prada. Girl, you want to make me take a flight cut to Accra. My girl, wine up your waist, big backer.
Say it to you, say it. Say it to you, say it. I'm gonna make you not do me the long thing. Say it to you, say it. Say it to you, say it. Say it to you, say it.
To the coast, see about coming and bonus stepper. Uptown was me and the real top tenor. Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire than non-copper. To the coast, see about coming and bonus stepper. Uptown was me and the real top tenor. Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire than non-copper. Just human boss bring like coconut. Me black out them can't see. Act too brave like the recipe. Taxi me and drive me now what you want the back. Mark it, me know me play row and me tatis. I want me static. No time for practice, you act funny. It Titanic. Me call a dim boy panic. It Titanic. Me call a dim boy panic. Me never plan to make me fantastic. Me a murderer, satanic. To the coast.
Hot stepper.
Bonus stepper. Uptown was.
Hot stepper from Vybz Mayor.
Criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire than non-copper.
Mixed by B1 Star.
Bonus stepper. Uptown was me and the root up.
As we all know,
Criminal me
we
trigger.
about getting down with him.
Shock like it let you wire.
Having an exclusive interview right now.
Sweet na me goat, I go run in belly. Me no waste no time pon watching telly. Straight like a arrow, no ten. Kill quick. Me rifle and I show no messy. Black grenade, people then staffy begging P1. Just pile them bad one. Khalifa are the real money man. Anything them can't do a thing. Looking at me, I real bad man. Ever come me a bonus stepper. Uptown was me a the real top tenor. Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire leather and copper. To the coast, see ever come me a bonus stepper. Uptown was me a the real top tenor. Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire leather and copper. To the coast, see ever come me a bonus stepper. Uptown was me a the real top tenor. Most criminal shopper. Shock like it let you wire leather and copper.
By all means, I have to learn patois.
Now me territory.
At all costs, by all means, by hook or crook, I have to learn patois today. Man them.
Devil on me, see devil turn on the black like me one no one.
You know how I go out?
I flash like everything clock.
You know can play, you know.
And the real black spider.
And I'm a man.
More than a bad drive. Like a wrong thing, me crack them.
Vybz Mayor, hot stepper.
You see the place to look like a
Hot tune now.
but them attack, them now make no sense. Style them, me do yes. Vybz Mayor, logo. Boom, ni ma be fair na mi po. To the coast, see about coming a bonus stepper. Uptown was me and the real top tenor. Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire leather and copper. To the coast, see about coming a bonus stepper. Uptown was me and the real top tenor. Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire leather and copper.
You don't know. You wanna people them no attack, them can't do you understand. Them not bad like we no time. I will say badness rolling on me main vein, you understand.
Boom.
This is the #1 DJ Stop Music with all your hits right here. Power, music power. Non-stop music.
We now want the world.
This is the #1 DJ in Ghana.
So why? Him on this a word of advice. We tell she boy like King Zoom. Yeah. Teshi and Nungwa. We are one people, so we now want no war. A this a word advice. Can you summon you can be a cut in me? Ilala J by force. Can you summon you card in your cash and in your fucking way?
It doesn't get better than this.
Can you summon you can be a cut in?
A little that vibe from Vybz Mayor.
Can you summon your card in your cash and in your fucking way?
Wagwan.
Mom it lay the youth. Them be a upper class that them act like a binu. What a shame. Make a piece among ya say. A member say you do what the best. Bumbo wool. I mean I want talk too much. But me see the situation I go far too much. They you they love you. So you have to give them enough respect. And I make sure the peace among them always hand done. Yeah she will love ya. Same as in Zoom. So when you this a brother man tell me why you doing. Me now want trouble. So me day for me level. But you too much money. Can't buy a shovel. I this a word advice. Can you summon you get me a cut in me? Ilala J by force. Can you summon you card in your cash and in your fucking way? I this a word advice. Can you so money get me a card in here? Il a la J by force. Can you so money card in Natasha in your phone? Can't reflect in a static from one member.
Like I said before, this is the Buckle Up Show. Right here on GHLife Radio. We all about exclusive entertainment and hits as well. We all about artists and their music, you know what I mean? Listen to us live online on www.GHLife.radio12345.com.
This is a word of advice.
Or join our Facebook Live.
Boy. Yeah,
at GHLife Radio and at GHLife TV.
Wow, we don't want no war. We are one people.
You can share your comments, your shout outs,
one another
as well.
One love for me people.
Down below our comment sections, you know.
Expectation boy like King Zoom.
You can forward your comments through WhatsApp 0248 495904. 0248 495904. Send your comments and shout outs. Now we about getting down with Vybz Mail. Not to waste much of your time. Let's get into it. Chairman. Aquaba. Hope everything cool.
Yeah, man, everything cool.
Everything cool. Charlie, your hair, I won't do something. We check like how you make it, Charlie. I they let you small. You see, my own, the group goes small. And I'm going to say that, me man. Charlie, what's up? You come from a farm?
Yeah, Charlie, everything cool. Everything.
What happened?
Charlie, I mean, normal level.
Normal level, Vybz, everything DG. You come from long place. Charlie, you know easy.
Yeah,
but you force. You be cool. We want to know you more. You know, as we artists, I'm an artist myself. As we artists and as we into this entertainment industry and all, you know, as we are coming up and we want to make a name for ourselves and we want to become big and professional musicians worldwide. You know, we want, you know, you to, you know, tell us something about yourself to your fans and our fans and people out there to know who Vybz Mail is. So before we get into all the music stuff, we want to know what's your name, where you're from, and you know a little bit things about you, so that we get to know the real person behind Vybz Mail.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
All right. Okay. Well, talking about Vybz Mail, my real name is Jeffrey Aguablo.
Okay.
Yeah. My stage name, and most people call me Champion Mail. Talking about Vybz Mail is really a strong guy, is it? Yeah, man.
Giddy. Charlie, we don't come play. Sharp.
Yeah, you see, man come from born and grew in Teshin. But you see, Charlie, also life to go on for no while. Also life to go on for no while.
About
Charlie. So talking about Vybz Mail is a dancehall music. It's a dancehall artistic, is it? Yeah, man, Vybz Mail is a really strong dancehall artistic. Very hardcore. Yeah, man, we're not soft. At that moment, I want to tell the people them, is it? Yeah, man, straight. My confidence alone can send some boy to coma, is it? Yeah, man, straight.
We don't come play at all. So, if you want to search Vybz Mail, where can we find Vybz Mail?
Yeah, you see, I'm on all social media platforms.
Okay.
Yeah, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and then let's see.
For the meantime, you can find you. And all. Like I said before, we will come to the music aspects, but for now we want to know the real you. So your name, Vybz Mail.
Yeah.
Vybz Mail. How did you acquire that name, or what is the reason behind, or the fella behind Vybz Mail, that name in particular?
Yeah, you see, well, most of my friends say I look like Vybz Cartel.
Oh,
yeah,
true.
It's good.
That one there.
Yeah,
no two ways about
that
it.
was primary time.
Oh,
see,
okay.
Yeah,
cool.
From class 4, my friends, Charlie, then they tell me, say, Charlie, you the red Vybz Cartel, you the J Vybz Cartel, you the Bab.
Yeah.
So I take that name Vybz. We now my big brother, they call him Mayor. Mayor, yeah, Charlie into he be hardcore, very hardcore. Yeah, but
so he run for the family inside.
See that thing, but he no be musician.
Okay.
Yeah, he no be musician. So I take that name, attach it, the Vybz. My friends they call me,
Vybz Mail.
We are doing Vybz Mail. You see.
Charlie.
Wow.
It be strong name. It be strong name because when you hear Vybz Mayor, a lot of people will be like, oh, Vybz Cartel, and you actually look like him as well. So it's actually cool. So how do you feel being called Vybz Mayor?
Well, I feel very proud.
Really?
Yeah, very proud. I really like the name, and if I don't like it, like I will not take that name.
You know, go take that.
Yeah, if I know they like, I'm like I know go take.
You know, go take.
Like I know go take. Yeah.
So which school did you attend?
Oh, I went to Camp 2. Well, the side too.
Charlie, we homies where we did for the ghetto inside. Charlie, we know where we are coming from.
You see that?
You know they can't play for a year. You know they can't play. It'll be cool. I'm about getting very real with you on here. Don't get bored if I step on your toe. Do you have a girlfriend?
Well, for now, no.
For now, you don't.
Yeah, for now I don't.
But it search like you focus on your music or something like that.
Yeah, you see that? I swear.
Who's your role model?
Well, Vybz Cartel is it.
What makes Vybz Cartel your role model?
Well, you see, Vybz Cartel is really a strong guy, just like me. Yeah, we Cartel, like in everything he talk, he do, same as me.
Yeah.
In Liberty, then my Liberty, they match. You see that thing?
Sharp.
Yeah, I get that feeling. Say, Vybz, I be the second Vybz Cartel. I always get that feeling. Yeah, I always
as you believe in yourself, then things you see. It's actually good to believe in yourself, believe in something, or put yourself in a person's shoes, aspiring to be somebody. And it actually looks good because I've listened to most of your song and Charlie, you know what I'm going?
Yeah, man, everything crazy, yeah.
You don't know. To me, say, and I have to learn pattern before I leave this studio.
So you go learn more, Charlie.
Giddy. As you did, I don't get any matter.
Trust it.
What a sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. Me no waste no time.
This is the number one DJ. Get locked down with all your hits right here.
People then start begging P1. Just pile them.
We here with Vybz Mayor.
The real money man. Anything them can't do a thing. Looking at me, I real.
This song is lit right here.
No stepper. Uptown was me at the root of Jenna.
Join us live on Facebook at GHLife Radio and at GHLife TV. Share your comments down below the comment section. The shout outs as well. Or you can send them through WhatsApp 0248495904. 0248495904. A lot of comments coming in. A lot of comments coming in. Before we get into the music side, the music aspect of Vybz Mayor, let me take a couple of comments. Charlie,
me crack them break them can't hear the song play. You see the place to look like a heavy ice. What them attack, them now make no sense. Style them, many ways. Vybz Mayor, logo.
This one is from Kwabena Guy. Kwabena Guy. He say big ups to Vybz Mayor.
Uptown was me and the real top Jenna. Most criminal me trigger them two shopper. Shock like he let you wire leather and copper. Tell the coast see about coming and
Papaya Guy.
Uptown was me and the real top
Papaya Guy.
Criminal me trigger them two shopper. Shock like he let you wire.
Say hot stepper.
Yeah,
Charlie is hot in here. It's hot in here, no yawa.
Shock like he let you wire leather and copper. Tell the coast see about coming and bonus stepper. Uptown was me and the real top Jenna. Most criminal me trigger them two shopper. Shock like he let you wire.
Mayor Meek.
Bring your coconut.
He says fire can't cool me brother. You look like Vybz me brother. Keep the fire burn it and burn it.
Funny, it Titanic. Make all of them boy panic. It Titanic. Make all of them boy panic.
Now, like I said before, this is the Buckle Up Show. Listen to us live on www.GHLife.radio12345.com. Join our live stream on Facebook at GHLife Radio and at GHLife TV.
What a sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. Me no waste no time pon watching telly. Straight like a arrow, no ten, kill quick. Me rifle and I show no messy. Black grenade here, people then start feel begging. P1, just style them bad one. Khalifa are the real money man. Anything or anything, them can't do a thing. Looking at me, I real bad man. Back home, me a bonus stepper. Uptown boss, me a the root of Jenna. Most criminal, me trigger them two shopper. Shock like it let you wire leather and copper. Tell the boss, me a back home, me a bonus stepper. Uptown boss, me a the root of Jenna.
Alright, let's get down. Vybz. Charlie. This is your song. It is video. As I listen, yesterday I listen at night, around 2 a.m. Now still they listen to Hot Stepper.
Wow.
Charlie.
Wow.
Because it's amazing how they call us underground artists. I don't know why they call us that, but it's amazing how we actually do professional music.
Oh, yeah.
Far better than those who so-called professional ones. What do you think about that?
You see, music there be music. Yeah, some people will be hype, we make them who they are now. Some people too. I know say one a time will come. It be time.
One a time day.
It be time.
Now have you listened to your own song?
It be time.
Have you listened to Hot Stepper?
We will be musician forever.
Giddy.
Yeah, we know be any musician like Charlie. We can't lose for the system.
Nah,
no, we will be musician forever.
We are coming with a plan.
Yeah, man.
Dean.
Yeah, man. Ultimate cover like. Just like that with the bab. For you for be well prepared.
Yes, you for armor yourself with your sword, your guns and stuff.
That thing. Yeah, man. Yeah,
now let's come to the music aspect of you.
All right.
You are clearly into dancehall.
Yeah.
Right, you are clearly into dancehall. So I just want to know, with my listeners and viewers, that is it just dancehall that you do?
Oh no, not at all. Not at all. I'm also good in Afro beats.
Okay.
Yeah, and some mashup because one a culture, so I will do them.
Yeah. That one day you can't left them for anywhere.
You see that?
If I touch it plus your own,
that?
if they your soul inside,
You see that?
If they your soul inside, Charlie.
Yeah, man.
So what is like doing dancehall? What is it like? How is it like?
Charlie, challenges may be hard, but Charlie, how we go do them?
We can challenges you guys face.
In Ghana, not be everybody way they hear patois. With the bab. Yeah, so you find it difficult for people to support you. But yes, you can say, oh, Charlie, do. But until what particular you are saying, until I see the bab.
Yeah.
But like until I see, I say, hey, this guy the force.
Fire.
You see that thing?
Yeah. So how did you get into dancehall?
Well, it's a long story. I used to be a footballer in the bab. Yeah, one time I was there and then it's like Charlie through BBSM, through Mushimi, stand wavy. Like plenty talk they go for my head inside. I go my big bro inside where I tell and say, bro, something they do me check like I demand. Like check like plenty people they talk for my head inside. We say, make us sit down. So you can't do some things be nothing Charlie still there. What they do me. The bab.
Yeah.
Charlie can't do me for some weeks. Still wait. So now them figure say Charlie they go mad at
or something.
Yeah. So some man be one of them be pastor. The bab. Where he talk my mommy say Charlie no be anything but I go be okay. Yeah, so Charlie, we did prayers inside and things where Charlie man get feminist, not knowing any music.
The music where they call you like that.
So as the energies come, Charlie make a year be brave woman soon. You see that?
I love that too. Charlie, it's not easy, Charlie. It's not easy. Everybody has his own calling because some people will say, this kind of music that you're choosing. Raga and TFS or Chama and so, but actually if you don't understand what somebody is saying, you don't have to base on your own assumptions to judge the person.
Oh yeah, truly.
You don't have to judge the person. So I want to know, is there a point where you reached and you decided to like stop music, or is there a point you reached where you nearly gave up or something like that?
Oh yeah, Charlie, so many things, but you see sometimes I did there. Me now they say no, Charlie. this thing, it no be like something normal. So I go try my possible best. I no they care where I go reach. I just go do because it be music way he choose me. So as he choose me, I for DG, so say it go take me where he won't carry me go. In the bab. Yeah, so no matter what the challenges I face, I still know say one day it go be.
It will be.
Yeah.
As we did right there, can the team be did that. Yeah, obi to make us say, oh Charlie, ebefa. But me I talk come say, I ferry. What is ebefa? Ebefa they are not 2 years, 6 years. So I ferry. You understand? The thing with the cause with the music that I'm hearing, Charlie, it's massive. It's massive. So how long you been doing this?
Oh, let's see, 2 years now.
Wow.
2 years now.
And how has it been within that 2 years time?
Oh, music has been good to me, Charlie. Everything they cool.
Everything they cool.
They cool.
So what do you do outside of music?
Well, maybe normal hustling, Charlie. Once I hustling, Charlie.
You get something small. So let's come into Ghana music as a whole. Put dancehall and then reggae, Afro beats, rap, hip hop, then stuff. Put all of them in one basket and weigh them. What are your views and opinions or thoughts about Ghana music?
You see, Ghana. In talking about Ghana music, Charlie, then they force. That be what I go talk. See, then they force. But me only one thing where you do, they worry me. It be oneness, just oneness. I won't make we all be one. But then they force. Why? Because if they know they force, like I'm not sure say by now, Ghana music.
You get somewhere.
You see that thing, yeah. So then they force. We then try give we underground. We then make we understand. Say no, we get future.
Yeah.
You see that thing, yeah. So big ups to them.
Big ups to them, big dogs. Big ups to the professionals from Vybz Mayor. So without getting far away from the music plan, let's come to you in conjunction with our music, Ghana music today. What plans do you have with your own music? What plans do you have for Ghana music?
I have so many plans.
Can you tell us a couple, like so many, for us to understand your vision?
You see, plans we I get for Ghana music, Charlie, be small plans. I swear, more than you can carry.
Charlie,
you
be them a small kiddie, them a junction, then got side. This one be the Grammys, then the MTV, then BT levels.
You see, we get plans. We get plans. We right now, so many undergrounds need help. See that thing? They need help. We that thing. We they pray say, make God carry we put some place be. When I create and make it carry we put some place be.
Yeah.
So we reach that place. We go help the underground. Those then they come up. You see that thing?
But most people say that them go help you come up, then your music they grow, then things and stuff. But as you get to that level, then you go shun them a boys way they under them things. Do you think actually something like that would have an effect on you someday? Or
you see, there is a saying that who ya demo bia menfu wakumem.
Yeah.
See that thing? Me ya demo na say like na that be who done with chimamia. Me said they are me yema will say one day who soon be a baby mommy. And now me yema will say me pe baby wo. You are a musician. I'm also a musician. I don't depend on you. Because they are me me say me drew baby dachi. You bab and I'm a draw and I made you bab me try my possible best say me so like me do better me do better drew baby I'm a drew no. And he say who be drew now who done with here I know the wow same. Yeah.
At least you've done your part in supporting whosoever is beneath, or I wouldn't say beneath though, but at least there are certain levels in music or there are certain levels in humanity. When you get to a point and you want to help somebody, you can do that. But that'd be your whole thing.
You see that?
So what do your parents think about you doing music? Let's take it this way. Let's take music as a whole, and we come to the dancehall part. So your music as a whole, what do your parents think about you doing music?
Oh well, for my mommy inside there, Charlie, full support.
Giddy giddy.
I swear. I go stage where nobody go jump, give me self. My mommy go jump. My mommy full support. I swear.
Number one fan.
Number one fan.
Giddy. Well, what about your Bobby?
Oh, see, I did this one there. I did beg. This one there. I go beg small.
Hard small. But if you know about, you see the puppies, I don't know. Be all of them will go be cool and things. But is it affecting your music, or does it have an effect on you? Let's say, as you see your mother supporting you, but it seems your father is not actually getting on into the music thing. Does it have an effect on you?
Well, you see, sometimes I feel like it affect me, but you see, as I said earlier on, but Ismail is really a strong guy. You see me, I'm brave till grave. Since my kid time, I be hustling. I be hustler. But then see me, and then they see me like the bee. But me, I be hustler. See that thing? I be street boy. So me, I be hardcore. That be why I talk them. I be brave boy. Brave till grave.
See
Charlie,
that? You don't come play. Charlie, what are you talking about? So let's come to what do you call it? The other artists with you. Have you worked with any other artists?
Yeah, Charlie. I've worked with Chris James.
Okay.
Yeah, in South Africa.
Oh, nice.
International collabo, Charlie.
How was it like?
It was really good, Charlie. Now, Charlie, man get opportunity, but Charlie, now we don't get passports. Charlie.
But still, now we move.
Still
we move, Charlie. We still move on our dreams, Charlie. We don't come, flat or fall for here, Charlie. We still move, giddy. I'm about wrapping up with you, and we will come to a side where you give us a little bit of what you do, show our fans, your fans, what Vybz Mayo can do.
Yes, born already.
Yeah,
man, born already. Is it?
So I'm gonna give you a beat. Before we get to that, I'm gonna give you a beat for you to give us a little freestyle. But before we come to all that, so let me ask you, where do you get your inspiration to do music?
Well, like I said earlier on, you see, me, I not be musician. I used to be a footballer in the bar.
Sure.
Where all of a sudden music can catch me. So Charlie, me, I dey listen to more of Stonebwoy than Shatawale music in the bar. Yeah. But apart from that, they listen to international music too. But Vybz Cartel music, they inspire me most. The bar. Yeah. Then now let's see, Shino, then the other artists in Jamaica. Yeah.
So, let's say 5 years from now, where do you see yourself? 5 years from now.
Well, five years from now, there, Charlie. Man grow big way, Charlie. They make big waves. They make big waves. You see, I know be God we have to predict.
Yeah.
But all I can say be big waves.
Big waves.
Yeah.
Big waves.
Shock let you violent and copper. Just see man push me like a coconut. Black out them can't see.
Vybz Mayo. Right here in the house on GHLife Radio on the Buckle Up Show.
No time for practice, you act funny. It Titanic. Make all of them boy panic. It Titanic.
Now we about getting a little bit freestyle.
To me come fantastic. Me I'm ready
from him. Let us know what you think about what he's going to do right now. I know it's going to be late. I know you're going to enjoy it. You know what I mean? Before we get into all that, listen to us live online at www.GHLife.12345.com. Join our Facebook live stream at GHLife Radio and at GHLife TV. Send your shout outs, your comments as well down below the comment section. Or you can send your WhatsApp messages through 0248495904. 0248495904.
Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it let you wire and copper. Tell the ghost fear.
Now let's get a little bit freestyle from Vybz Mayor.
Most criminal me trigger them to shopper. Shock like it.
Something he's going to leave behind for us today.
One them gonna walk in on me territory. Cook on the right side of the cemetery. Can't leave me energy, me have melody. Call me the black devil, or me the devil. Turn on the black like me one know what.
Vybz Mayor about to get it.
Shit. I don't know the thing going on, is it? Vybz Mayor there. Just freestyle, you see what you want to tell me people them. How am I there? Me there at GHLife, is it? So when I wake up, I say what? Just listen to GHLife. What me tell them? Come on, watch it, come on, watch it. No more waka ne yake eshe. Wanga shiecha, ni washe. Eh. Come on, Nike. Minuncho efeko. Minuncho efeko, mi efeko. Efeko. Minuncho efeko. Minuncho efeko. Minuncho efeko, boy. Efeko. Efeko. Minuncho efeko. Make we light up the place and make sure the fire burn every Satan. Me still a what these people like a trowel. Them a pre-feeding them. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing going on.
You're done.
Yo, give me this rhythm them. Give me this rhythm them. Yeah, man, you see it in everything you have to give thanks and praise, you know. Yeah, man, in everything you have to call upon the most side. And that we are starting. Give me this rhythm them. No time for waste. Alright.
You know what's coming?
I don't know the thing going on.
Vybz Mayor on it.
One gen I see it. Come watch out. How am I do? Me a the one general. Boom. One general. Me a the one general. Boom.
That's
right.
One
general. You know me ready for ya anything. And no boy you can't do me ya anything. You never know what say ya people me murder. Static, but you a go dead. You a hear that? Me just have a new class. Me na promote you. Cause you know not in a class. Empty head. Them never have a future. And the teacher me see a future. You know take care. You a go ten a bigger. And for me look at them a eye. Them a batty tailors. Me cocky at the biggest at the real gorilla. The boy try me, he got a ear gunshot. Boom! What me a tell them? Me a the one general. Boom! One general. Me a the one general. Boom! One general.
That's right.
I don't know how the thing go, you know.
You done now.
Straight.
It's lit.
Yeah, man, I no time for waste. Give me the next rhythm there.
One more time.
Yeah, one more time. Alright. Me say what? Me a the one general. Me a the one general. Me a the one general. Boom. One general. Me say the one general. Boom. One general.
Right.
You know me ready for ya anything. And no boy you can't do me ya anything. You never know what say ya people me murder. Static boy you a go dead. You a hear that? Me just have a brand new class. Me na promote you. Cause you know not in a class. Empty head. Them never have a future. At the teacher me see a future. You know take care. Them a go ten a bigger. And from me looking them a eye. Them a batty tailors. Big at the biggest at the real gorilla. The boy try me, he got a ear gunshot. I want me tell him, boom, me a the one general. Boom, one general. Me a the one general. Boom. I don't know the thing, you know. Straight. A vice matter.
Let's get it. We're still here with Vybz Mayor.
What we tell him? Yeah. The dreams come true like me wish, so me watch dirty bad man. Like a dish, them a know what they boy me and swim like a fish. If you no hate me, then come me later a waiter. John no boy man a star. Man a star is there, so me have no shoe size. Smoking ganja, them smoking king size. Man a too bad, so they call me sim bad. Only pa bad man say ya me bad. And me say holy no say empire man a holy. Style and wicked and me better like chicken. Gonna flowing like a raining water, so me a jet children who know what I play. And me say real quick and a piercing and tattoo. So me na go break no rules something taboo. Hey, see some boy, him attack, him a lava, him but he's a him a the dancehall king. A little boy na play with a fire. Boy, ya don't know how the thing going on. Me say, listen to GHLife. Boom, listen to GHLife.
That's how we do it.
Me say, ya listen to GHLife. Listen to GHLife. For me day, listen to GHLife. Me say ya listen to GHLife. What? Listen to GHLife.
Let's have
What
a
me
tune.
do now? Listen to GHLife. Me wake up and see the sunlight. Me give thanks to the Most High God. Cause him a the one that watch over me life. Boom! How me tell him? Listen to GHLife.
Boom.
Listen to GHLife.
I want to do
I
that.
say listen to GHLife. Listen to GHLife. I don't know how the thing going on. Vice me a there. Give me the next rhythm there. No time to waste. One already. Gunshot to fire. I don't know. What them know about badness?
You know what I'm
Yeah.
doing out here is getting down right here on GHLife Radio on the Buckle Up
Yeah,
Show.
yeah,
I'm the man
yeah.
in the blaze with Vybz Mayor right here. Let's get it.
Say them a kill a wall. Boy want a war now. Yeah man and the boy them want a war, you see it. If you're not sure of yourself, ask your doctor. Don't go and digging down. Man not tasty, can't give me some water. Cause me want heal them with my one holy water. Oh Lord, bend them a place. Make a place full up and give them no space. Me no driver, but me speed up on the roadside, dark side. Make them know say me never upside. The front full so she went for the backside. Me never know when she a come from the north side. When she turn around, look with the black eye. Bend your back, let me put it on your right side. All my life for me like it's a ladies. Bojo Banting time was 90s. Me a the baddest, me a badder from the 80s. And when me smoke, me a smoking at the cemetery. Me get brain and me gain more energy. Never mess up in a me territory. Boom! I don't know the thing going on, just a freestyle, is it?
Let's go in again. Let's go
Yeah,
in
man.
again. Let's go in again. Let's go in
Oh,
again. Let's go in
Yeah man,
again.
that's it.
Let's go.
Dreams come true like me wish. So me watch the tea bad man like a dish. Them on the one with the boy, me and swim like a fish. If you no hate me, then come me later, I waiter. John no man a star. Boom! How we tell him GHLife? I don't know the thing going on right about now, man. GHLife.
Let's roll on
That's
the
it.
last beat. Let's roll on the last
The man
beat.
gonna give me next rhythm.
Let's roll
They
on
make
the
me bust
last
up the
beat.
energy, is it? Watch out now.
You know GHLife Radio right here.
Watch
Vybz
out
Mayor.
now. You see, what them know about gunshot of fire? What them know about dancehall music? What them know about badness? What this? This time just rise, everybody rise. Man careful, cut Vybz take life. Me day up online, I be ready anytime. Yeah man, I watch out. Hear this. This time just rise, everybody rise. Man careful, cut Vybz take life. Me day up online, I be ready anytime. Boy in a company, me have different style. So me been a black tie, them can't find their tile. Gunshot travel like rocket fly. No way, me can't lie, gunshot a bye. Do it so quick, cause we man a match time. The boy make me nervous, and the lyrics just spread like a virus. Now try Vybz Mayor, that a dangerous. And when you try Vybz Mayor, you are going lost. They come with a two-face, them can't face, no stop the boy before me step in at the place. Speed them like motorbike race, GPS can't chase. What? In a dance, me a the general. In a dance, me a the only one king. In a dance, me a general.
One.
In a dance, me a the only one king.
One.
How them a call? How them call? Me a the only one king.
Yes.
How them call? How them call? Boom! Only one king. Only one king, me say ya only one king. Only one king, me say ya only one king. Are the general, that's it. General there.
Mad.
That's it.
Yeah,
man, I'm hold on.
Mad.
What is? Hold on. What? Hear this.
Let go.
Hear this. Straight. What me tell them? Listen. Me give direction like a wind cold. The boy try more that a dimple. I want me smile, me a tell him that a simple. You see me face, boy, me I'm no pimples.
Man.
Boom. I don't know the thing going on. Just freestyle.
Let go.
Vybz Mayor there.
Let go.
Something. Hey, you know something? Yeah, you have a beat them. Just give me any beat them, is it? Any beat them, is it? Just keep on playing. Aha. Go. Badness. Watch out now. Dancehall music is what me a talk about. You man a real dancehall a man do. We don't have no more time, you know. Man do this forever. You see what me a tell him. Man a untouchable and me a burning fire. Music a spread like a spreading butter on me veins. Me can't feel it here. I hold them a rump with lyrical rebel. Show me your gun, make me show you the game. Tattoo me body like a wallpaper. Man a human and me not chew paper. In a me life me na one cheater. Them say me talk like a Satan, me liberty a Satan. And them make me vex, so me bite like a cobra. And them a bite too, so boy, me a back up. Me tell a little more, God bless me some more. Rasta man a me no fear ganja. Set up the fire, make me fire ganja. Black Panther, when me talk the contact. Light up the place, watch ya. Give me lighter, let me show you lighter. Oh the girl a wait till when you bet that make me try that. The way you left, the way you stand, the bus in your face. And the boy can't try vice me, you a go dead now. I want me tell him, me and the baddest when me roll out every girl that say me roll clean. Boom! Cause the girl a check me flow when she say me a roll G. Baddest, vice me and the general I mean, I want nobody.
That's right.
I know the thing going on.
You don't know.
One
It's lit
general,
up in here with Vybz Mayo, Charlie. It's unexpected, you know. It's unexpected. Charlie, we get true talents. We got big vibes. You know what I mean? This is GHLife Radio, the Collab Show. I'm your man, Andy Blaze. Here with Vybz Mayo. We go roll on another one.
Yeah, man, I have a rhythm. Yeah, man, I give me any rhythm.
Another track from Melting. This is the number one DJ. Get locked down with all your hits.
Yeah, man, I that a dance style. But
GHLife, the SWAT on stage.
what now? Real dancehall music. You see how me I say?
That's right.
Yeah, man, a general.
Buckle up.
What this? Listen up. Me and the king and them are only just a 8. But my serious and we not tell no lie. Me sit in the letter when me a watch in a dark. Give a blank them in dogs then back. What you mean? Send the letter make them good as better. And no return on Peter so me come like cheetah. Taste very bitter and hit than I eat. Only a greedy and drink 1 liter. Wah, light up the fire make me splash pan them. Legacy tell them can't kill my fame. Big man a too smart and sharpy like blade. The girl say me smell like lead. Watch I know, them just a thing they can kill my fame. Them just a think they can kill my fame. No, them just a think they can kill my fame. Boy, man a killer, I'm a killer. Them just a think they can kill my fame. No, them just a think they can kill my fame. No, they just a think they can kill my fame. Boy, man a killer, I'm a killer. General attack, you see what I say? Man an attack too much. Badness.
This is the Buckle Up Show. I'm your man, Andy Blaze. We in due time.
Confidence.
I'ma urge you that Vybz Mayo is going to be here on Friday for our freestyle sections. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
That's it.
This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more coming to you on Friday with Vybz Mayo and a couple of his brothers. You done now. You done now. You done now.
And that for real, is it? Yeah, man, I watch out for Vybz Mayo. Cause fire me and bring it up. Me say what? Once again, me want to tell me people, them say me a brave boy. Is it? Brave till grave. Me not fear none.
Alright, this is the Buckle Up Show right here on GHLife Radio. I'm about to sign off, but before I do, let me remind you that we do this every Tuesday with our new artist, what we have with our brothers in the music industry. You know what I mean? Now, this is how we do it every day.
Why didn't you pay for this beat?
On Tuesdays. Now you're gonna meet Vybz Mayo here, same time on Friday for the freestyle sections. You know what I mean? Now my time is due. Before I leave, before I sign out, a little bit of last words from Vybz Mayo. Vybz, anything you have for our fans, for your fans and your people out there?
Yeah, man, I have more things for my fans, you the bab. Charlie, once again, big ups to all those who they watch me right now, you the bab. Charlie, God bless you so much. Without your support, Charlie, man go day one side. I say, I won't tell you people, Charlie, keep on supporting them. One love. God bless you so much. You too. God will bless you. Whatever you want to achieve, you go achieve on one day. You the Bob. Yeah. So right now, I want big up Papa. I want big up Papa, yeah, guy. I the big up Real Empire Music. I the big up Father One. Big up Drag Lord. You see it. Big up Obiba Brown. Big up all of my friends then. Big up Bismarck. Big up Weiser. You see it. Big up Sconzi.
Mad.
You see it. Big up B1 Style. Big up Lopez. Big up Linky Zingy. Big up Shito. Which is Nagod Ba. Yeah, man, you see it. Big all of my friends them. Big all of those. They support me. Yeah, man, big up to most high. Is the one I say. Yeah, man, straight. Yeah, man, big up yourself. GHLife. You see, Charlie, keep on doing the good thing. God will bless you more, Charlie.
Big ups.
Charlie,
thank you for coming through today. Big shouts to you. Big shouts to what you're doing. Big shouts to your music. You're going to prosper. You're going to go far with your music, Charlie. I feel your music.
Blessings.
Wow.
Blessings.
We're going to do this same time Friday. I'm going to meet you right here on the freestyle sections. Right here on GHLife Radio on the Buckle Up Show. Thank you once again for coming through.
Trust it.
Look.
Mad something. Big up yourself. Kaboom.
Now, thanks to everybody for joining us today. My time is due, and I'm about to head out. But let me remind you, there are big dogs supporting us today, like Miracle Driving Institute, Fast Grazing Limited, Zap Plumbing Services, and Anglo Beg Intelligence supporting us. You can visit our website on www.GHLifeTV.com for news updates, both local and foreign as well. Entertainment, lifestyle, and coronavirus updates. Like I said before, coronavirus is real. If you're stepping out of the house, get yourself a nose mask and hand sanitizer. Protect yourself, not just for yourself, but for your family, your co-workers, your friends, and your colleagues as well. Big shouts to anybody who came through. If you send your shout-outs and comments and I couldn't read, forgive me.
You pay for this beat though.
We're gonna do it same time on Friday with Vybz Mayor. Big shouts to IJ Cook, Daniel for joining, Novella, Kelvin. Big shouts to Champion Weiser. Big shouts to the Biggie Gentleman, Chocho Watts, for producing me today. Big shouts to Chocho Watts. Fist Casper, I see you joined today. Big shouts to you as well. Patty Black, you also joined. Big shouts to you. Kwabena Guy. Big shouts to you as well for joining us today. Papaya Guy and Rich Banks. More love to you, bloods. More love. Now, thanks to everybody who made today happen. A very big thanks to Vybz Mayor for coming through today. Like we always do it. I'm gonna be here same time on Friday with your best and favorite artists, both dancehall, hip hop, Afro beats, reggae. You know how I do it.
Oh my God, I love this beat.
Now catch me live tomorrow at 4 p.m. It's Woman Crash Wednesday tomorrow. And we're gonna have a little bit of discussion with our women. Topics concerning them and their lifestyle. Like we always do it right here on GHLife Radio on the Buckle Up Show. Now my time is due and I'm about to head out. But before I do, I'm going to urge everybody to live happily. Enjoy your day. Big ups to you. My name is Andy Blaze. This is the Buckle Up Show right here on GHLife Radio. And I'm out.
This is the #1 DJ. Get locked down with all your hits right here.
Where the sign of rain. One thing got me moving on, Cause my sorrows will be gone away tomorrow. Who got no fear enemy any day? They're gonna do the day. Who got no fear enemy any day? They're gonna do the day. Who got no fear enemy any day? They're gonna do the day. Who got no fear enemy any day? They're gonna do the